Well, you have to move forward. It is my life, and there's certain things you have to deal with. But like I said, it doesn't. I try to not to let it be a distraction to him. I have a job to do still. At the end of the day, it's very sensitive because it's your mother, of course, and anyone that's close to you have an incident. It's very sensitive, so. The people around me are helping me, and it's helping her, and we'll be fine.
Come on, man. You understand in life things happen. Whether you're in the limelight or you're not, you're always going to have family things that's going to happen. And you're going to have to tend to them. You're going to have to deal with them. My job in here is just continue to, focus on each other, focus on, being who we are, doing what we always do. That's coming in, enjoying basketball, enjoying each other, making each other laugh, etc. And, if someone needs you, if someone needs your support, then you be there for them. But besides that, we don't really bring it up and worry about it.
Man, you just move on. You know what I'm saying? You leave personal matters where they're supposed to be. And, this is a place for basketball.
A lot of times there's some topics or storylines that are out there that we have to address. But it has steeled us to the point that we understand we're the voices that matter. The guys in the locker room, we're the family, we're the brotherhood. And a lot of these other things are ancillary distractions if we let them be. If we don't, then we can focus on what's real, and that's our team and what we need to do to prepare for the playoffs.
Well, like I said, it's a sensitive subject, and it's being taken care of. If you guys want to ask me anything else about basketball, I'm happy to answer it.